G'day viewers, it's Dano here from Dano's channel, and this is me mate Charcoal. Say g'day Charcoal.
How's it going, you dogs?
Charcoal's the Sparky, and he's come to give me a bit of a hand with today's project from the shed. For those of you that don't know, I'm a bit of a tech head. I like my technology, got a lot of smart products in my house, a lot of routines and all that sort of stuff set up. The garage door opens automatically when I get within a couple hundred metres of home. The one thing that's missing is the garage light coming on automatically. Now look, to solve that, I've gone out and bought a smart light switch. I'm going to replace this dumb switch here with a smart light switch, so that I'll hook all that into the routine when I get within, let's say 400 metres of home. The door will open, the light will turn on, it'll be a thing of beauty.
Smell that.
Yeah, no thanks mate, no. That's one homo suspicion point for you. Alright, what was I saying? Yep, so the garage door will open, light will come on automatically and everything will be sweet. Suppose you want to see what these light switches look like. They're not a hell of a lot different to these, a little bit neater. Skip's got one somewhere. Skip, where are you mate? Skip. Oh, very good. Alright, but that's what they look like. You just got a little Wi-Fi indicator up the top and a on-off button. They do illuminate with a low blue light at night. Makes it a little bit easier to find your light switches as well. So I'm going to hand over to Charcoal now, and he's going to do the install. We'll do a bit of a montage so it doesn't take up too much time. So yeah, let's get into it.
Flat screwdriver, Skip. Flat screwdriver, Skip. Capacitor, skip. Breakers are back on. All yours, Dano.
Cheers, Charcoal. Thanks for your help, mate.
No worries, eh?
Alright, it's all installed, powered up, time to move on to the next stage. Rightio viewers, now the switch is installed and we've re-energised the circuit. The next thing that we've got to do is add it to our home network. To do that, I use an app called Brilliant Smart. They're an Australian-based company. They also maintain a subscription to If This Then That, which is a very, very powerful bit of software. It costs you nothing. I highly recommend them. The Brilliant Smart is based off the Chew Smart app, but that subscription to If This Then That makes it just that much better. Alright, to add this switch to our network, first thing we're going to do is hit the plus sign up here in the app, and we are going to look for a light source. Next thing that we've got to do is reset the device. To do that, we push and hold until that Wi-Fi indicator starts to flash up the top there on our switch. Alright, it needs to flash rapidly. That's in a different pairing mode, so we're going to push it again, reset that. This time it should start to blink rapidly. That's what we're after. Once we've confirmed that it is blinking rapidly, we hit the next button, select your wireless network, and it goes through, searches for the device to add it. You can see that the LED's gone solid on our switch, which indicates that it's been found. You can see in the app here, it's registering it and initializing the device. Alright, I've already renamed it the garage light. I'm going to put it in the garage, hit done, and beautiful. All on. Right, now we can switch it on and off with just a push of the switch on the device. Alright, pretty easy. Rightio, that's our smart light switch, all installed, hooked up to our network, everything's sweet. All we've got to do now is make up a few routines so it comes on automatically and all that sort of stuff, and yeah, that'll be beautiful. Look, if you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to drop us a like, comment, share and subscribe down below. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in to another project from the shed.
Skip. Cut it out.